everybody, and welcome to my video today, you guys. This is the very last project for the Just Because series that we have done with Chris. So hasn't all of the projects been completely amazing? I have loved all of them. I wish I would have got them out for you guys a little bit quicker. I was running a little bit behind, but this is our very last one, so we're wrapping it up with this one. And you guys, I'm not even going to attempt to create this amazing, fancy project. You guys just know I would totally butcher this. So I'm going to walk you through it and we're going to take a look at it. And hopefully if you guys want to make it, Chris's instructions will be over on my website. You can check out exactly what she did, how she cut things, and then you can make this. So she started with some basic gray cardstock and she used the Myths and Magic product suite. So she used glimmer paper from that product suite. She also used the stamp set and the dies. And then I'm assuming she probably also maybe hand cut some things out, but you can see all of the great little pieces, the dragon, the little knight, the wizard, super cute. And then she colored these with blends. So with our Stampin' blends, she did a great job coloring these. If you use the thick Whisper White cardstock to do your stamping and your cutting when you're using blends, you will get a better result. And then also your pieces will be really sturdy because it's that thick Whisper White. So then she also has some ribbon here. This is Bermuda Bay ribbon, and then some rhinestones here. And then she's inked the edges so it looks like a castle. So she did put together a little kit for me, but you guys, I'm really intimidated. I'm not really sure exactly what the situation is. So it folds kind of like this and you have all the pieces inside, and then you would definitely want to use your tear and tape to put this together. So I hope you've enjoyed. I know this is a short video today, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed the projects that Chris has created. There's photos over on my website. Please make sure you head over to Chris's business Facebook page. She is now a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so I'm excited about that. And then you can give a little shout out to her, let her know how amazing her projects were. And then there is a supply list in the YouTube description below and over on my website. Remember, you guys, the retiring list is out and things are flying out the door. They're retiring. They're gone forever. So make sure you're checking that out. And if you need to get in an order, please make sure you do so. And I will be back tomorrow with a very special video kind of project. I have something I'm introducing to you guys. So make sure you come by my website tomorrow. It will not be on YouTube. So make sure you head over to my website tomorrow. And then on Friday, I will be back to hang out with you guys some more. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far, and I will chat with you guys later this week. Guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.